Hey, it's Adam from 6OVRCRST. This week we're putting together a video on our YouTube channel of making chassis mount uprights for this GD chassis. So stay tuned. Now we're 3D scanning the booty of this GD chassis to try to get the profile of the trunk for our uprights. So now we got the scanning done of the back of the trunk. Here's a quick overview of it. Real quick scan. We didn't spend a lot of time because all we're trying to do is just get this trunk profile here for the upright. So I take the scan and I hand it over to Big Rig Chris over here.
Big Rig Chris!
So Big Rig Chris is programming it. And we're going to cut it on the router here in a minute and test fit it. Went ahead and measured what we needed to on the car. We're going to go ahead and go over here. Watch your head. Jordan, our camera guy, is pretty tall.
Hey, Jordan! That's a huge
So we put everything in the CAD in the computer, and we made a prototype that we 3D printed for the bracket here. So we can test fit it on the car real quick and make sure that the part's going to fit before we send it off for final production, because we can manipulate and change this really quick. Send it to the 3D printer, print one off, adjust it, and see if everything's good before we're ready for production. All right, so now we're doing our test fit. We just got the material off the router to make sure everything's all good. We're still going to make some adjustments, but it beats what we used to do. We used to have to hand measure everything and hand cut cardboard templates and all kinds of fun stuff like that. So now we'll make the adjustments, send them off to get the final version done out of aluminum, and look for this product here in the next couple weeks on 6OVRCRST.com. Thank you.